YIZUMI connects with you and me in various ways in our daily lives. Specialized in polymer and metal material molding, YIZUMI is not only an industrial molding equipment manufacturer, but also a leading molding turnkey solutions provider. Global expertise, solutions for the world.
YIZUMI sets up its technical center in North America for lean production and aspires to provide sustainable solutions for customers. In America, we are assisting our clients with the best solutions to ensure their competitiveness.
YIZUMI India proudly manufactures injection molding machines in premium quality. Our products and solutions assist the regional manufacturers in successfully participating in global supply chains.
Ich bin Stefan und arbeite im technischen Team mit Yu Xiao und Daniel, um die technologische Weiterentwicklung von YIZUMI Germany zu unterstützen.
我叫周俊，是YIZUMI中国总部的首席技术官。我的伙伴们来自全球各地，我们拥有不同的文化以及不同的想法，但我们畅所欲言，竭力为客户想得更多。
By connecting global wisdom, YIZUMI successfully creates a global innovation platform to provide solutions to customers worldwide. More cutting-edge technologies for premium products. We stay ahead of the times. We shape the future. We are an advanced industrial molding equipment systems and service provider. YIZUMI. Think tech forward.